Growing massive, juicy watermelons is a gardener's dream. These summer fruits are not only delicious, but also a symbol of hard work and successful gardening. Here's how to grow them big and fast. Choose the right variety for your garden. Popular types include Crimson Sweet, Sugar Baby, Charleston Gray, Black Diamond, and Jubilee. Each has unique characteristics, so pick based on your space and climate. Watermelons need well-draining sandy loam soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.5. Test your soil, amend it with organic matter, and apply a balanced fertilizer. Ensure your site gets full sun and good air circulation. Plant watermelon seeds directly in the garden after the last frost when the soil is at least 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Space seeds 4-6 feet apart. For transplants, start seeds indoors and move them outside when ready. Watermelons need consistent moisture, especially during fruit development. Water deeply, mulch to conserve moisture, and avoid overhead watering. Fertilize regularly, side dressing with nitrogen-rich fertilizer and switching to balanced fertilizer as vines spread. Thin fruits to focus the plant's energy on fewer, larger melons. Use slings to support heavy fruits and elevate them to prevent rot. Regularly monitor for pests and diseases, addressing issues promptly. Hey everyone, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you next time.